These maintenance suggestions pertaining to controls speak to how to maintain controls, whether they be pneumatic or electric or electronic. The controls can be for any components in the building automation systems. All systems require periodic maintenance. With automation maintenance procedures, very little is of a cleaning and lubricating nature other than valves, actuators, and any other component that has moving parts. The maintenance of automatic controls has much to do with checking the calibration of the control device and how it pertains to the building automation system. This will require specialized equipment and must be done by technicians trained specifically in the operation, calibration, and maintenance of system. Typical monthly maintenance. Check compressed air system, compressor, dryer, receiver, blowdown valve, pressure reducing valve, and oil filter for proper operation. Repair or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. It is suggested that the time of operation be checked, as excessive runtime will shorten the life cycle of the equipment and result in premature breakdown. It is important to check for leaks for a pneumatic system using a soap and water solution and look for bubbles. Check proper air pressure. Repair or replace pneumatic system components as needed. Check the length of stroke of actuators. If the stroke has reduced, check to see if the pneumatic diaphragm is still in good working order and does not leak. Again, it is important to check for leaks using a soap and water solution and to check for bubbles. Obviously, this is for a pneumatic system, not an electric or electronic system. Semi-annual maintenance. Check the control system and devices for evidence of improper operation. Repair, adjust, or replace components to ensure proper operation. At this time, it is suggested that the component actuator devices be checked for zero start and length of stroke. Inspect, clean, and calibrate pneumatic thermostats, controls, and control devices. It will probably entail using specialized calibration kits for this work. Annual control maintenance. Check pneumatic and electric actuator operation. Clean and lubricate as required. Check for proper damper operation. Repair or replace as needed. The damper linkage should be cleaned and relubricated at this time. Check temperature transmitters for accuracy. A digital temperature indicator and special calibration tools may be required. Often when dealing with building automation systems, the transmitter calibration is done at the automation system by adjusting signal coefficiency. Check pneumatic lines for blockage. Clean as required. If there is any indication of oil, the compressor should be checked and oil filters changed. Check to see that the backup system software is current if using a building automation system. Thank you so very much for listening. Bye now.